there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play piano accompaniment chords of Firework by Katy Perry. And I've also left where you can find the full chords and lyrics as well in the description and the pinned comment. So I'll just do the odd bit of singing this one, but it's fairly repetitive. And we're going to do a slightly more relaxed piano version of it, but the chords are going to be still correct. Here is middle C as a reference. If you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano, this one's in a key of A flat major. So on the screen now are all the notes at the scale of A flat major. I'll teach both hands at the same time. So the left hand is blue and the right hand is orange on the screen there. So we'll look at the intro first. So we're going to be playing mostly in fifths in the left hand, and mostly like 2 notes in the right hand, sometimes 3 notes. So the left hand, we've got A flat, E flat, and then A flat and C. So this makes A flat major chords. So it starts on the root chord. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and keep the left hand held. And then we're going to move down to G flat. So G flat isn't in the key of A flat major, so this is like an extra flat. So it's G flat, D flat, G flat and B flat, so this makes G flat major. And then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we go down to F minor. So the left hand you're going to play F and C. The right hand we're going to play F and A flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we have a D flat, but we've got this added 9th in there. So we're going to play D flat and A flat in the left hand. In the right hand you can play F, A flat and D and E flat even, or if you want to you can just play F and E flat 8 times, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I prefer it with the A flat in there, but we are also playing an A flat here as well. So if we go from the beginning, so we've got A flat, G flat major, F minor, add the E flat to that, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again. And then we're just going to continue that for the verse. So I'll just demonstrate the verse then. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screams when no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? There's a spark in you just gotta ignite the light. And then it's into the pre-chorus. So for the pre-chorus then, the left hand is going to play almost exactly the same thing. So if you want to start amping it up, you can play this time the left hand 8 times. So going A flat and E flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you can just go 1, 2, 1, 2. And then we have B flat and Fs. So it actually changes to more of a B flat minor chord, B flat and F. And then F and C, D flat and A flat. So that's what the left hand is doing for this part. And the right hand, so we've got A flat and C, and then B, A flat, C, B. So we go 1, just like together, left, together, left, together, left, together, left. And then we've got B flat and D in the right hand to C. you can go if you want to simplify it. And then we have F and B flat in the right hand to A flat. The left hand goes to F and C. And then you do the same thing again in the right hand, but you just move the left hand down to D flat and A flat. So do all that again, slowly. Really slowed down, but it's more like but if you want to simplify that, you can go so all those notes together, and then you play the singular note in the right hand, so I might play it like this, to be honest. So you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine just on the night like the 4th of July, 'cause baby you're So for the chorus, we are going to do the exact same thing we've just done, but you can again play it any way you want to. So you could go, 'cause baby you're a firework, come and show 'em what you're worth, make 'em go oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky, 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 baby you're a... And then in the track, that bit comes up an octave. Firework, come on, let your colors burst, make 'em go oh, 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 gonna leave him all in oh, oh. I'll just demonstrate that again. Hi there, just quickly before we continue, let me know if you're enjoying this video and how you're getting on with learning this lesson so far in the comments section below. I love chatting to you all. Please give the like button a press. Make sure that you are subscribed so I can keep on making these free tutorials for you. Hit bell notifications so you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you're interested in learning how to read music, I have an entire book, and that is linked below where you can purchase that on Amazon, and I also teach this in a full video course as well, so that's linked down below for you as well. You can go and check out the free preview. So let's continue. 'Cause baby you're a firework, come and show 'em what you're worth, make 'em go oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky, 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 baby you're a firework, come on, let your colors burst, make 'em go oh, 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 gonna leave 'em all in oh. And then we're gonna continue. So the second verse is slightly different. You play the A flat, B flat, F minor, D flat 9 chord progression through twice, but then the other half we play A flat, and then we're going to play the bass changes, or the bass becomes more prominent, so it's B flat minor 7. So the second time round we'll play A flat, and then that B flat and F chord we had earlier, and then we're going to play A flat and B flat.
that changes. So it's just on the screen there.
You don't have to feel like a waste of space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds. After a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed. You can open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and then it's time you know. You just gotta ignite.
And then it's into the pre-chorus.
Gotta ignite a light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July.
So for this second chorus, the only difference between this one and the first chorus is we've got this in there. So that's D flat, C, B flat, A flat, D flat, C, B flat, A. So if I just demonstrate the second chorus.
'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave 'em all in
So it kind of comes in with the left hand is playing D flat and A flat there. Now we're into the bridge, so it's a different set of chords. So we've got F minor, which we've kind of had this chord before, so it's F and C in the left hand, then F, A flat, C in the right hand. So it's up to you how you want, what rhythm you want to play it. You can go
boom, 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 even brighter than the
like together, right, together, right. Or you can play boom, 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 the right hand in line with those words, and then keep the left hand pulse going.
boom, 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 even brighter than the.
And then we have D flat major. So we've got the D flat and A flat in the left hand, and in the right hand you're just going to change the C to a D flat.
It's always been inside of you.
So here we have an A flat major chord, so we almost had this. So it's A flat and E flat in the left hand, then A flat C, E flat in the right hand.
You, and now it's time to let it through.
Brand new chord. We have E flat major. So E flat and B flat in the left hand. In the right hand, we're going to play first inversion of E flat major. So it's G, B flat, and E flat.
'Cause baby, you're
And then into the chorus. So if I just do all of that bridge again.
boom, 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 even brighter than the moon. It's always been inside of you, and now it's time to let it through. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave 'em all in
And then the outro, it just continues. So this again in any octave you want.
boom, 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 even brighter than the moon. Boom, 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 even brighter than the moon.
So at the end there, we've got that D flat C, B flat A, D flat C, B flat A. it's out of shot. I'll play this one. You can play an A flat at the end. So we land on the root note, so it sounds finished, and you don't have to add that. So if I just do that again.
So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.